Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga class for relaxation. This is a hand and wrist free, knee free, inversion free, and prop free class. Let's begin by resting back. Relax into the support of the earth underneath you. Focus on your breath out. And allow all tension and anxiety. Allow all the tension to drain down out of your body, through the back of your body, through the pull of gravity. You're going to take your arms in a soft T beside you. Take your feet as wide as your mat, and you're just going to do gentle knee sways from side to side. This is nice to release your hips and your low back. And then come back to the center, and you're going to hug your right knee into your chest. If you have knee problems, hold on behind your knee. Inhale, release slightly. Feel your belly round. Exhale, draw your right knee in. This is great for relieving constipation, also for releasing your low back. And then place your hands behind your leg. You're going to inhale. Exhale, lengthen out your leg. Flex your foot so the top of your foot is pointing towards the sky. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lengthen. So you're stretching at the back of your leg, your hamstrings and your calves. And then bend and release. Lower that down. And just feel the difference between the right and left side of your body. And then draw your left leg in. You're going to inhale here. Exhale, hug your knee into your chest. Inhale, release slightly. If you have knee issues, hold on behind your knee. And then you're going to lengthen out through the back of your leg. Draw your toes towards your face. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. And then release and just feel both sides of your body here. And then we'll come all the way up to standing. Maybe we'll just take your legs long. Inhale, exhale, roll all the way up. Okay, from standing, we're going to take your feet wide and then turn your left toes out, your right toes in. Sink down through your left sit bone. Bring your left elbow onto your thigh. Arc your right arm over for side angle pose. Opening up your side body, strengthening your legs. Arc up. Let's turn your left toes in, your right toes out. Sink down through your left sit bone. Bring your left elbow down. Circle your left arm around. And then arc your arms up. Bring your feet in. Stand on your right foot. Turn your left toes out. Bring your foot up somewhere on your leg. Bring your hands to your heart center for tree pose. For balance. And switch sides. So stand on your left foot. Lift your right leg. And then we're going to come back down onto the ground for a reclined twist. So take your arms out to the side in a soft T. Bend your right leg. Press into your right foot. Tuck your left hip under. Cross your right leg over. Nice release for your back. Untuck your hips, press into your right foot, switch legs. You're going to bend your left leg, press into your left foot, tuck your right hip under, cross your left leg over to the right side of your body. And then you're going to roll onto your back, untuck your hips, and lie back into Shavasana. You can stay resting back here, and I'm going to sit up and read you a poem. This is called Breakage by Mary Oliver. I go down to the edge of the sea, how everything shines in the morning light. The cusp of the whelk, the broken cupboard of the clam, the opened blue mussels, moon snails, pale pink and barnacle scarred. And nothing at all whole or shut but tattered split dropped by the gulls unto the grey rocks, and all the moisture gone. It's like a schoolhouse of little words, thousands of words. First you figure out what each one means by itself, the jingle, the periwinkle, the scallop full of moonlight. Then you begin slowly to read the whole story. So give yourself a thumbs up for completing the class. Put "I am relaxed" in the comments. Thank you so much for sharing these classes with your friends and family and for subscribing to the channel. You can go to melissawest.com/begin to receive the entire beginner's challenge. And remember, our members get the beginner's challenge in our video library ad-free. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. And may you be as strong as our mountains. Om Shanti. Namaste.